Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global ARTE Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you one amazing tool to get your keywords for KDP low and no content book. That awesome tool is really amazing. So I'm going to talk about the keywords, that is the 7 keyword slots that you usually put in while uploading your book onto the KDP. You need that 7 keyword slots. So we're just gonna go onto my laptop and a tool which you can use it, and I also using it recently only, and I find it quite useful because it's quite friendly to me. So I'm going to talk about that tool. And also guys, before going to the good part, consider clicking on the like button. I'll really appreciate that. And if you want free KDP interior, then I have a free KDP interior bundle. The link of that bundle in the description box below, which contains the 5 free KDP interior bundle, KDP interior, which you can download it and can upload it on KDP. So the link of that is in description box below. We are on laptop, and this is the tool that I was really talking about, was the Helium 10. Now this is awesome tool, especially if you're selling onto the Amazon, not just about your KDP business, but also if you're selling on the Amazon FBA or in general selling anything on the Amazon. This is really an awesome tool. So we're just gonna go over to that, and we're just gonna talk about the important thing that I really want to discuss about being the factor. So there are so many different things they have on the platform, like the product research. You can go and do the research related to what you're selling onto the Amazon. In our case, since we are going for the KDP, so we can do the book research over here, then the keyword research, then the listing optimization, and various things regarding it guys. You can very well check out all these things in the section over here, but I'm going to probably go over to the keyword research because in the beginning only I told about that I'm going to talk about the 7 keyword slots, the keyword research, and how I use this tool to do my keyword research for my KDP low and no content book, and how you can probably also do the same for your own books as well. So let's hover to this section that is the keyword research. I think that is the Cerebro, the keyword research magnet, or the Miss Palantir, whatever it is guys. So I mean, you can check your spellings, like if your first language is not the English, then you can very well go over here and can check your English, the misspellings checker. And then I think we're just gonna probably go over to the Cerebro section, and we're just gonna find our keywords. So this is the awesome tool guys. Now I have logged into my free account. I'm using the paid plan as well, but currently I'm logged into the free account. So I have the 2 searches. So if you want the more searches for the per day, then obviously you need to upgrade for the unlimited plan. If you want to upgrade that, then use my code, the coupon code at the checkout to get the off. The link is description box below, and also the coupon codes, the detail are in the description box below. You can check it out. Don't forget to use the GLOBO ARTE 50 at checkout to get 50% off on your first month on the Helium 10. And if you are using the GLOBO ARTE coupon code, that is GLOBO ARTE 10, then you will be getting 10% off in every month purchase of your Helium 10. So which is pretty awesome. Don't forget to use that. So we're just going to talk about this important tool over here guys, that is a Cerebro reverse ACIN lookup. So what you can do guys, we're just going to go over to the Amazon, and we're just going to see the ACIN number of a book which we want to target related to any particular niche, and then we're just going to paste that ASIN number over here, and we're just going to get the keywords of that specific book, and then we're going to see whether it's competitive or not, whether we can use in our book or not. So that's we're just going to do over here guys. So let me just go over to the Amazon, and we're just going to search for some low and no content book and get their ASIN number, and we're just going to see what keywords they are using in their book and how we can use that keywords in our advantage for our 7 keyword slots. Finally, we are on the Amazon. Now I have searched for the coloring book, so I'm just going to probably go for the coloring book, which is the low content book ideas. And coloring book are quite popular, like in the low content categories. If you go, then there is the coloring book, the puzzles, the mazes, the handwriting books. All these are kind of very popular and many people are using it. So I'm gonna just pick up any book, and we're just gonna see their ASIN number and their bestseller rank, and then we're just gonna go over to our Helium 10 software, and we're just gonna see the keywords, what keywords that person is using in that book. So let me see which book is most popular. Like this one is also popular, that the bestseller book, the 100 Animals for Toddler coloring book. Well, let me just scroll down and pick up something else. Now this one is a quite popular book, that is a unicorn coloring book. The unicorn stuff is quite popular onto the Amazon. If you are just looking for any book, then probably I would say that you can go for the unicorn. You can target the unicorn as in your no content book, as well as we are going for the line generals, for the blank sketchbooks or graph papers. You can also go with the unicorn as well. So we're just gonna go for this particular book because it's quite popular and they have an amazing reviews, that is 13,360 reviews, which is pretty awesome coloring book. So you can very well see their title as well, what they are using. You can read the description for the further more details about it. You can read the description, the children's and all that, and you can get an idea what's there in the book. But we need the ISBN number, so I'm just going to scroll down, and here it's an ISBN 10. So this is the number that we need to get. So I'm just going to copy this number over here, and you can see that this book is having the bestseller rank 228 in the books, and children's literature collection it is having bestseller rank 1. And for the bestseller rank 1, same in the children's travel game books, and activity books is the ranking number 2, and overall its ranking is 228. So it's quite popular book, it's going pretty well, amazing onto the Amazon. So I'm just going to copy the ISBN 10 number. Now it's not written over your ASIN number, so we just need the ISBN number 10. Now you get two numbers, the ISBN 10 and ISBN 13. So we need the ISBN 10 number. Since there is no ASIN over here, so you just need to copy this ISBN 10 number, and we're just gonna go over to the helium 10 and paste this number and my number over here. Now this is my number, and I will just click on the get keywords. So you can see very well that we are getting the keywords. You can see so many depth over here, like how many keywords they have, the 26,085 keywords, the sponsored keywords, the organic keywords, the Amazon recommended keywords. So they have so many keywords, then the frequently bought together, then the word frequency, what is a word that is repeating in the book. So you can see the book, books, kids, coloring, unicorn, little. You can see all those details over here. So let me just scroll down. The one of the awesome thing that I'm going to share with you is this, guys. Now this is awesome. The filtered keywords is 26,085. Since it's the most popular book on the Amazon in the coloring books, and it's doing pretty well in the overall books, that is a 228. So yeah, guys, so you can see the keyword. Now the Cerebro IQ score is the 108. Now what is Cerebro IQ score? Is the score based on the ratio of estimated search volume versus number of competing products? A high score means a relatively high number of searches compared to the number of competitors. A low score means the opposite. A particular keyword is getting the high score, that means it's having the high number in case of the competitors. Now this is a search volume, guys. The most important thing that you need to look for is a search volume. This keyword is searched for the monthly. Now this unicorn pick is searched for 432 each month. So we're just gonna search for the keyword which is having high search volume, but it is having the low competition. Now as the search volume trends, you can also see if it's trending on right now or not. The coloring book kids in the trends, the color books for the kids are also in the trends. So how many products are competing. Now for this particular unicorn pick, you can see the search volume is 432. So if I'm just look for this particular phrase, the unicorn pig, you can see the search volume is 432, but the competing product is greater than 4,000. How to look for the keywords? Now there are so many keywords. We need only 7 keyword slots. So how are you going to pick up that specific keyword? So what I do, like there could be many ways the people use this tool, but how I use it, I'm going to show you that in a second, guys. So I see that if the competing product is not too much and the search volume is high, then I go for that particular keyword. Let me explain you guys. Now you can see this one is having a higher search volume, but again the product is very high. So I probably pick up that thing which is having the less competing products, because we need a keyword which is less competitive but the search volume is high. That means it is in high demand. So I need to pick up that specific keyword which is for which the competing products are quite low and they are having the high search volume. So I hope that it really makes some sense. This is the way I do it, guys. This is the way I use this tool. So probably you can see this is having the 2,940 search volume, but again the competing product is greater than 40,000, so I'm not gonna go with that. So let me see the competing product which is best for my stuff. Now this one is greater than 5,000, but this one is 235, but the search volume is less, so I probably won't be using it. Let me just scroll down. Like I don't take the competing product as 40,000 or 50,000 or even more than that. Just a 10,000 or a little bit more. That's fine for works well for me. So you can see this is having the 4,000 competing products and having the search volume as 432. So we can use this keyword because it is having the less competing product but its little bit search volume is there, so we can use that. But this one is having 40,000 competing product and the search volume is high, so the product competing product is quite high, so I can't use these keywords. Again, this one is the keyword that I would probably go for, the marker coloring book. Now this one is having the search volume is 1202 and the competing product is only 8,000 or maybe more. So I would definitely go with this type of keyword. So you can see how I'm picking up the keyword. I'm using the keywords for which the competing product is 10,000 or maybe a little bit more, and along with that they are having a high search volume. But I'm not going for these type of keywords where the competing products are like 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, or maybe more than that, because you would be seeing a much bigger competition, although they would be having a high search volume as well. If you look for this particular keyword, it is having a 40,000 40,000 competing products, but the search volume is 10,440. That's the kids coloring book. So they're having the high search volume, but the competing product is also high. So I look for the competing product which is having 10,000 or maybe a little bit more than that, and the search volume is nearly approximately near to above 500 or maybe 1,000. I look for like that. This one is the exact keyword that I'm looking for. Having this competing product 8,000 or more, or the search volume is 1,202. So this one type of keyword I probably go for. Again, this one keyword, guys, you can see this one is the amazing keyword, the unicorn coloring book. They are having only the 5,000 competing or a little bit more products, but they are having the use search volume that is a 9,132. So this is the way I do that. I took these keywords from here and then I'm gonna just put them in my 7 keyword slots. So you can prepare a complete list of or use these keywords for specific niche. Here we have used the unicorn coloring book. Whatever niche you are targeting, guys, you can very well go with this tool and can look for that specific niche, that specific category. Again, this one is the 3,000 and the 570 search volume. So you just need to filter out the keywords that is quite specific and less competitive, but in having high search volume, so that you can use for your book. So this is a tool, guys, that I use. Although they have so many stuffs in there, the Cerebro, the Magnet, the Misspeliter, everything they have. But today I only am talking about the Cerebro keyword research tool in that Helium-10. Comment below, let me know if you want me to talk about the other stuffs, other options they have on their software. I'm gonna make another video talking about it. But for till, guys, if you're using them, use our coupon code, the GLOBO ARTE50 at your checkout to get 50% off on your first month on Helium-10. And if you're using the coupon code GLOBOARTE10, then you'll be getting 10% off on every month of Helium-10, or if you're going with the yearly plan as well. So enjoy today's video. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. What tool, what software you're using for getting the 7 keyword slots, and are you publishing book onto the KDP? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.